Are you frustrated that your push-up numbers aren't improving? Maybe you're stuck at 10, 20, or even 30 push-ups and can't seem to break past that plateau. The truth is, push-ups are one of the simplest exercises, but also one of the hardest to master, because they test your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core all at once. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, you can dramatically increase your push-up count in just a few weeks. In this video, I'll share 11 proven tips to increase your push-ups fast. Tips that athletes, military members, and fitness experts use to build strength and endurance. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to double or even triple your push-up performance. Tip number 1, perfect your form. The first step is simple but crucial. Master your form. Most people think they're doing push-ups correctly, but a few common mistakes can completely sabotage progress. Don't let your hips sag or rise. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle, not flared out wide. And engage your core and glutes the entire time. Think of your body as a solid plank, moving as one unit. Clean form doesn't just prevent injuries, it makes every rep count. Tip number 2, strengthen your core. You can't build a house on a weak foundation, and you can't crank out more push-ups with a weak core. A strong core stabilizes your spine and keeps your push-up form solid. Add planks, hollow holds, and ab rollouts to your training. These static core moves build the exact kind of stability that transfers directly into better push-up performance. Tip number 3, build up with incline and kneeling push-ups. If regular push-ups are too challenging, or you want to add volume without burning out, incline and kneeling push-ups are your best tools. Incline push-ups reduce the percentage of your body weight you're pressing, making them easier. Kneeling push-ups do the same. Use these as stepping stones if you're a beginner, or as drop sets after failure if you're advanced. This way, you can always push your muscles past their limits safely. Tip number 4, lose excess body fat. Push-ups are unique because you're lifting your body weight. That means the heavier you are, the harder they become. Studies show a standard push-up is about 64% of your body weight. So, if you drop excess fat, you instantly make push-ups easier. That's why gymnasts and calisthenics athletes often have low body fat. It allows them to move efficiently, clean up your nutrition, burn fat, and your push-up numbers will climb faster than ever. Tip number 5, use advanced variations. Once you've nailed regular push-ups, it's time to make them harder. Try elevating your feet, doing archer push-ups, or adding explosive clap push-ups. These advanced variations build maximal pushing strength. For example, just elevating your feet shifts more of your weight onto your upper body, instantly increasing resistance. Start with the toughest variation while you're fresh, then scale down to regular push-ups and even kneeling push-ups as you fatigue. This is a form of progressive overload. Tip number 6, add resistance. Your body adapts quickly, so eventually you'll need more resistance. That's where bands, weight vests, or even a backpack filled with books come in. These tools overload your muscles and force them to get stronger. Resistance bands are especially effective because they change the strength curve, making the top half of the push-up harder, right where most people struggle. Tip number 7, increase training volume and frequency. If you only do push-ups once a week, don't expect miracles. The fastest way to improve is by practicing more often. Aim for 3 to 4 push-up sessions per week. Increase your total volume gradually, whether that's adding one more set, or just squeezing out one extra rep per set. Over time, these small increases add up to massive improvements. Tip number 8, supplement with weight training. Push-ups are great, but they're still limited by your body weight. To truly boost your pushing power, train with weights. Bench presses, dumbbell presses, and dips build maximal pressing strength, which makes bodyweight push-ups feel easier. Even if your goal isn't to bulk up, weight training allows you to overload muscles in a way push-ups alone can't. Tip number 9. Apply progressive overload. Progressive overload is the golden rule of strength training. Always give your body a reason to adapt. This could mean doing more reps, more sets, or adding resistance. For example, if you did 4 sets of 15 push-ups this week, aim for 4 sets of 16 next week. Or add a small amount of weight to your back. The key is gradual, consistent progression. Tip number 10. Improve shoulder and tricep strength. Your chest isn't the only muscle working during push-ups. Your shoulders and triceps play a huge role too. Strengthen them with overhead presses, tricep dips, and close-grip push-ups. When your supporting muscles are stronger, your push-up numbers skyrocket. Tip number 11. Stay consistent. Finally, the most important tip of all, consistency. You can have the best plan in the world, but if you only follow it for 2 weeks, you won't see real results. Stick to your push-up program for months, not days. Track your progress, stay disciplined, and remember, the people who get the best results aren't always the strongest. They're the most consistent. And there you have it. 11 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Master your form, build strength, overload your muscles, and stay consistent. If you apply these strategies, you'll break through plateaus and surprise yourself with how quickly your numbers climb. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos on bodyweight training and fat loss. Now drop down and give me 20.